So this is about Navisworks on a BIM 360 project, clash detection with a point cloud, and also issue tracking with Navisworks in this workflow. So what I did already was I opened the original file from the desktop connector. So that was the sample project NWD. I did then attach the point cloud. I did append it with the append button of Navisworks. I did append it to the sample project NWD, and I saved it as a new file. And the new file is called sample project with point cloud NWD, which I saved in the same folder on the desktop connector in that BIM 360 project. So what we see now is what will happen if I open this NWD file the next time after I did clean up my desktop connector. So in the desktop connector we have several buttons. One is syncing, that means getting everything from this folder in my local workspace, caching it. Or free up space is exactly the opposite thing, where I can delete this cache. So you see the status is now online, means this file is just online. If you have a look there later, you will see synced as a status, because synced means that the file is online and also cached on your local machine. But now what you see are just placeholders for the files that are online. So you as a different user should see exactly the same thing that I'm seeing when I open this file. So I open this file. It downloads from BIM 360. It now tells me that it cannot resolve this external reference, and that's the point cloud. And that's because the point cloud is not cached yet. So what I need to do in this case is I need to browse, go to my test folder and append it again. Why? Why is it good that we get this message? Is because it will show you from the parsing where you expect the point cloud to be. So in this case, it's in the test folder. So I append it from the test folder again. Now it's loading the point cloud. It's not too big, just 100 megabyte. For testing purpose, it's downloading it from BIM 360. And OK. No, yeah. So now I see the model and the point cloud. So I can do clash detection now. Where I'm using this on the one side, the point cloud, on the other side, the NWD file. I have to use clearance, otherwise it will not work with point clouds, the clash detection. I run the test. I get several um, clashes, and I can save them as viewpoints. So now with the viewpoints, I can go through the clashes. So now what I can do, I can go through the clashes and then see, okay, what actions need to be done. So I go to the issues tab. And I create an issue. Of course, I can do here all, can assign it already to a user role or company, can give it a due date, can enter the location, can change the root cause, give it a description, create this. So in regards of attaching an image uh, to this issue of the clash, considering that on BIM 360 you cannot see the point cloud, you could also create a report, HTML for example, write the report. So I did this already, include the image. Then you will find where you actually save this file. You will also find a folder with all the images, and they will have a numbering according to your clashes. So in this case, clash 8 will then result in in a image named something 8, and then of course that can help if you in BIM 360 where you now can find the new issue and where you can jump. Yeah, so what you see here now is of course the model without the point cloud, and you see the issue is attached to this object, and then you can but also take a look at this picture taken from Navisworks, where you can see how it was actually clashing with the point cloud. But again, the user, another user can still open the same model with Navisworks, and then they can really see it as a model, which makes it easier for them to understand the clash.